Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the background is a bit different. Alright guys, if you hear that, that's someone running me out the kitchen. Today we're going to be making ice cream. What? We're gonna be making ice cream. No, I did not sweet up. I woke up like this. You know you're on video, right? You know what? I'm gonna do this back over because a lot of nice are going on in here, guys.
I wake up.
Okay, let's. Natural lighting, where you gone? These are the things you experience when you're a small YouTuber and you don't have proper lighting, so you have to wait until the sun comes out. So let me just go and do that. I'll see you then. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Today, by the title, you know what we'll be doing. We'll be making ice cream, and by the background you know that I am in the kitchen. Leave a like if you like this video so far, or as time progresses and you like what I'm doing, just leave a like. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with my shenanigans. You want to keep up with Sasha TV because you know you never know what I'll post, so turn on that post notification bell just to stay updated, because you know me already, I do a mixture of things surrounding creativity. So enough rambling. Today we're going to be making ice cream. How much time I said that already? We're going to make ice cream. Yeah, so basically looking at the ingredients right here, what you'll be needing is your milk, heavy cream, 4 eggs, I'm going to take them up, your sugar, your measuring cup of course, and your saucepan. Now put your pan today. And your bowl to mix the egg yolks with the caster sugar. You know what I'm talking about later on. This recipe that I'll be following is by Cupcake Gemma. And I also have a pamphlet that came with the machine that I'm going to be making this ice cream in. So it's basically the same, but the quantity is just different. And did I leave anything out? I've done this recipe already, but the only difference is instead of heavy cream, I use evaporated milk, and it tasted great. So if you look on the screen right now, I'm going to show you a picture of how it turned out with the evaporated milk. Same texture. It was so yummy. So yeah, and you're going to need vanilla as well. Did I say vanilla? I don't know how I'm going to turn this camera. That's why you keep seeing me looking about. I don't know how you're going to see me doing all of this. The issues of a small YouTuber. But I'm going to make a way, guys. I'm going to make a way. So let's get this show on the road. So guys, right here, can you guys see me? I'm sorry for being so far. It's just based on the way the camera is angled, so see with me. I'm just gonna crack the eggs right now for the yolks. Remember, we just want the egg yolks, okay? The egg yolks. It feels nerve-wracking to crack eggs on camera. Yeah, I want that you can feel. Probably I'm gonna go back in. Of course. Just want the yolk. It's the yellow part for those who don't know. You can use the white to make meringue. You guys love making meringue drops. I have a video linked. So you can go and check that out. How to make meringue drops so you don't have to waste the egg whites. Just saying. I'm finally getting the hang of this. One time I need problem to get again separated. That's 3. Last one. Oh, I'm gonna make meringue drops. That one goes on, but yeah. On my life, for someone like you. So I'm basically measuring out my granulated sugar right now to add into the egg yolk. We're going to mix that until it's pale and fluffy. My mouth is kind of dry. Yeah, all the talk. Sorry if I'm a hunchback, guys. I guess I've had a habit. Yeah, try to straighten up myself for the cam. This is how it looks. So we're basically going to mix all of this until it's light, pale, and fluffy. You don't want to see me do all of that now. So now we're going to measure our milk. 570 milliliters or grams, I think it's the same thing. I need a big cup here, so let me just do that right now. It's about up there, guys. I think that's okay. We don't want no more milk. I don't need no more milk. So guys, this is what we're looking for, pale and fluffy. That's what we're looking for. Set that aside. Now we're going to add this into our saucepan. Oh, hey there. So on low fire, low heat, you're going to add your milk. I was letting it on for a while, but like I turned it up too high. Anywho, measure your heavy cream or double cream, 270 grams or milliliter. Notice the consistency is different. It's a bit thicker. So I'm gonna add my heavy cream now. Use a spatula, guys. That way when you hold the back of it, you know when it's ready, if that makes sense. You want to mix everything together. Mix together. I'm going to make that simmer for a little. You don't want it to burn. You don't want it to bubble a little bit. Not to scald, but to bubble a little bit. Then you can take it off, add it to the egg and sugar mixture. Little. So it don't fry the eggs then, basically. So I'm gonna do that right now. Oh guys, I forgot to add a pinch of salt. So we're going to leave it on the fire for a couple minutes, then check it back. Remember, don't let it boil, just let it have a bit of bubble forming at the top basically. Then we're going to add it to the egg and sugar mixture, okay guys? Stay tuned. a bounce me.
Yeah, bouncy.
Guys, it used to go with just a little while ago. We had the milk mixture to the egg mixture. Quick. And now you have to watch this. You know? This is how it looks. Don't know if you can see. So you have to constantly stir this and watch it so it doesn't. I thought we were recording the entire time. As I was saying, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's starting to coat the spoon. So we can soon take it off and then add the vanilla mixture last. Since we didn't have the vanilla pot to use. So you can continuously watch it, guys. You know what see people trying on YouTube. Guys, I am about to take it off the stove. This is where you add your vanilla. About that, God, this is strong. A little bit of talawa. Pour that in. This arrow flavor is so strong. I don't want it to be too vanilla-y. That makes sense. So I'm gonna take, but do it some more. Add that. Take. Do it a bit more. What's happening with my taste buds today? That's it. So it looks. I forgot that this is where I should strain the mixture. So if you're following me or following Cupcake Gemma recipe, ensure that when you reach this part, you strain it. Going to let that cool and then let it refrigerate for, it's supposed to stay overnight, but I'm gonna make it stay in here for a couple hours and start the ice cream mixture. So guys, I had to switch to my mom's phone. As you can see, the quality is bearable. Sorry for the eardo. As the time progresses, it starts to get like it. I'm gonna go for the freezer bowl right now because I want to put the freezer bowl when I'm about to start. There it is. So you're using this machine just like I am. Put this over. Oh, my bad. It's supposed to go down. Just like that. And then you have to make it turn on first, then you pour the mixture. See how it spins? My timer is on, guys. It's supposed to be 20 minutes for it to turn. About 15 minutes time. It's about 5 minutes. And then pour the Oreo mixture 1 minute after. 5 minutes in, and this is how it's starting to form. 8 minutes in. 10 minutes in. This is how it looks 10 minutes in, guys. I don't know what went wrong, but about 15 minutes in or 17 minutes, it just stopped working. This is the consistency so far. I don't know what's wrong. In the pamphlet it says if it just stops suddenly, just turn it off for a few minutes, then restart it back. Could be that the motor is what do you call it? It's hot, so give it time. According to them, so let's see. This is how it began to look. No, what went wrong? Started up back again, so I guess that was the problem. Oops, what did I do wrong? It just like, oh, as I was going to say, it's good to read the pamphlets. That's what happened. This is how it's starting to look, guys, which is the consistency we're looking for. So I'm gonna add in the cookie chunks right about now. And this is how it looks with the cookie chunks. So guys, we're now finished. It turned off again, but it's finished, so now I'm gonna miss it. And if I know it was like that, keep stopping. I have these cups that I'm gonna put them in. Oops. Look at that, guys. Look at that consistency. That for you guys is ice cream. I wanna. These are bubbling that one. So guys, I noticed while editing the video I did not have an outro, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Excuse my face, my big face in the, yeah, I didn't have an outro, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching me. And also, if you don't have an ice cream maker, don't be discouraged. There's other ways. You can use a Ziploc bag with ice and salt, add another bag into it, then you put the mixture, shake it up. If you have that patience, then go ahead. There are other ways you can do this, so that's one way that I know of without the ice cream machine. So yeah, hope you enjoy this bit, and until next time, bye.